Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You've already opened the note, now act. You should duplicate the note if changes matter, because undo can be limited. Place the cursor where you last edited so the app targets the right history. Once done, scan the toolbar or gesture help. Many platforms expose undo immediately. Make sure you have your keyboard visible if you'll use shortcuts, otherwise prepare to use touch gestures or the note's edit menu. This setup keeps the next steps precise and reversible. Now perform the undo itself. Press CMD plus Z or Ctrl plus Z if a keyboard is attached, because that reverses edits instantly. If you're on a phone or tablet, use the platform gesture, commonly a 2 or 3 finger swipe or a tap on the edit menu's undo entry, so the app steps back through changes. Repeat the action to step further back in time. Each undo reverses one editing action. Make sure to watch the text update and finish by confirming the note looks right. If you went too far, use redo, CMD plus Shift plus Z or Ctrl plus Y to step forward again. If the undo won't work because changes were saved to a cloud or the app cleared history, revert to the duplicate you made or check the note's version history to restore an earlier snapshot. If gestures or shortcuts don't respond, open settings to enable them or restart the app. This often fixes transient input or permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.